I just finished this wonderful vintage Reuge double singing bird cage in excellent condition. The lower bird has wonderful light blue plumage, and the top bird has equally pleasing sort of a light red. Everything's been fully serviced, so it works exactly as it should. Let's start off on the pause feature. As you can see, the pause feature works as it should. I'll move to continuous. The birds automate exactly as they should. They sing with full voice, hitting all of the oscillating notes, and the mechanism winds smoothly and operates quietly. Wonderful bird cage with very pretty birds, and the gold gilt case is still very shiny with nice luster. I'm going to turn it off by sliding this lever to the left. It winds from the bottom, as such. In summary, an excellent vintage Reuge double singing bird cage that works perfectly. Take care.